Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and we have another video for you guys today. This is actually part 2 of our video series for the Whalen Tune WS150 and the KWI X155 clutch kit that we installed in the Blue Reaper. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do some 0 to 60 times and see how much of a difference it made. And as you can see from the beginning clip, there's a big difference. But we're going to go ahead and record it on the Draggy, and then we can show you guys and let you know what the difference is. I think the fastest we went with the aftermarket exhaust, it was no tune, no clutching, anything like that, was 8.20. So we're going to try and improve on that today, and we'll do a couple runs and we'll go from there. Alright guys, you can see previous fast was 8.20, 6.88. That's what, almost 2 seconds. 6.88, yeah, about 1 3/4 seconds. And that's just the first run, and I'm pretty impressed. You can really tell that the clutches, I mean, it gets out pretty quick. So and that was with the exhaust open. So we're going to go ahead and try one more time and see if we can improve on that, and then we'll go from there. Went faster. 6.84. Is that focusing?
Yeah.
So we went from 6.88 to 6.84, and that again was with the exhaust valve open. You think we should try one with the valve closed, just to see how much the leak in the cat, and see what the difference is in time, and then we can come to our total conclusion. So we'll go ahead and do that with the valve closed, and then we'll add all these numbers up. So it did go slower, which is what we expected with the valve closed. And 708, showing that 7.08. So our fastest time was 6.84, and so we went 6.88, 6.84, and then with the valve closed we went 7.08. So those are the results. So you can definitely tell when I'm driving this, the clutching is it's not like it was before. I mean, you get in it and them RPMs are up there real quick, and you can really feel it in the seat. So I mean, we went from 120 horsepower to 164. It doesn't seem much, but 40 some horsepower. I mean, we shaved almost 2 seconds off our time from 8.20. And I'll go ahead and I'll put all the times on that we did so far in this build series. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're new to the channel and you like this kind of stuff, we'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Also, please like, comment down below, and tell me what you guys think. And with that said, I'll see you on the next one.